In today's video, I am going to teach you how to take a screenshot in Excel. This is a quick and useful feature when you want to place a picture of another open app or window directly into your worksheet. Excel has a built-in screenshot tool, so you do not need to capture the image somewhere else first and then paste it in manually. As long as the window you want to capture is already open on your computer, Excel can pull it in for you. To begin, click the cell where you want the image to land. This is important because Excel will use that selected cell as the starting point for where the screenshot is inserted. Choosing the location first helps keep your sheet organized and saves you time moving the image afterward. If you are building a report or a visual reference sheet, this makes placement much easier. Next, go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. The Insert tab is where Excel keeps tools for adding extra content into a worksheet, such as pictures, shapes, charts, and screenshots. Once you are there, look for the Illustrations group. Inside that section, click the Screenshot button. When you click Screenshot, Excel will show you a grid called Available Windows. These are the open windows that Excel can detect on your screen at that moment. You will see small thumbnail previews for each one. This makes it easy to identify the app or document you want to capture before inserting it. Now, simply click any thumbnail in that grid. As soon as you select it, Excel will instantly drop a full picture of that app into your sheet. The image will appear in the worksheet and can be repositioned or resized later if needed. This is helpful when you want to include a visual reference, show another worksheet, or add supporting material from another program into your Excel file. One useful tip is to make sure the window you want to capture is already open and visible in the background before you use the Screenshot button. If it is not open, it will not appear in the Available Windows list. Also, selecting the correct cell first can help keep everything aligned and easier to manage once the screenshot is inserted. That covers everything you need to know.